On Telegram, we can add an infinite number of friends. However, the issue emerges when we add random members to social media, whether it's because of users' messages or any other issues. In this case, we can easily delete contacts. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to delete contacts on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram app on your device. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top left of your screen. Tap on Contacts from the panel. Tap the contacts you want to delete. Tap Profile or Username. Tap on the three vertical dots on the top right of your screen. Tap on Delete Contact. To confirm it, tap on Delete button. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to delete contacts on Telegram app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.